For $11, like how many items do you get? I have to count a lot of items. For some reason, I just like our way of cooking. That really cools everything down. After I'm done, I'm gonna show you their party hall. So yeah, this place is awesome. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you one of the Indian buffets in New York. New York is the place of cultural diversity. Here you'll find so many options of different cultural foods to choose from. Today we came to Golden Terrace. I'm super hungry, so let's go inside. I'm gonna start from their non-veg section first. Let's see, chicken biryani. Yes, please. Thank you. I really don't like chicken tandoori, so I'm just gonna skip that. Butter chicken, that's my favorite. Chicken makhni. Goat curry, of course. Okay, let's see what they have for veg. Dal makhni. And this is one of my favorite. It's the Palak Paneer with naan. That tastes so yummy. They mix the cheese with the spinach. Chana masala. This one has potatoes. I'm just gonna skip that one. And here they have the gulab jamun. We'll just come back later. And let's take some salad. Let's enjoy. I'm so excited to try this palak paneer, which is the cheese with spinach. This is so good. Like, out of all their food, this is my favorite. This is kidney beans. Not bad, but after I ate that palak paneer, I cannot taste this much because this is so rich in cheese and other spices. Chana masala, that's another good one to try with naan. Spicy. I love spicy food. Two mango lassis to go and one for here. Okay. Thank you. That's the butter chicken. I really like their chili chicken, but they don't have it today. Just imagine for $11, like how many items do you get? I have to count a lot of items. So good. This is my happy place here. Now let's try the goat meat a little. My god, it's breaking. Like, this is how soft it is. Thank you. One thing about their goat curry is, I don't know, like they use some type of spices that we don't use, like Bengalis and Bengali people like from Bangladesh and West Bengal. For some reason, I just like our way of cooking. Maybe I'm used to this, but this is not bad either. I'm just gonna try this mango lassi. I love mango lassi. I just need a straw. Angela, she's helping us today. She's so nice. I'll show you guys after I'm done eating. They have really beautiful party hall. If you have any events, you can throw a party here. That really cools everything down. I'm super happy. So guys, I'm just gonna enjoy all this food now. I have to go back for more goat curry, and maybe they brought some more butter chicken. Let me just enjoy all this food for now. After I'm done, I'm gonna show their party hall. So guys, this is the party hall I was talking about. One of my friends' wedding reception took place here. Their food is amazing, and also the party hall is pretty much big enough for at least 300-400 people, I guess. So yeah, this place is awesome. Check it out. I'm gonna put the address of this place in the description box. Today I didn't bring Rudru, he's at school, but we picked up food for him from here. So guys, we just got out of the place. The food was awesome. The place is so beautiful. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and share my video, and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, stay happy and healthy and make your life very meaningful.